Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Cane Run Elementary, home of the Cougars here in Louisville, Kentucky. I got to share my heart with the 3rd through 5th graders today on campus, and very cool to meet everyone, just to speak freely about this concept of treating people with respect and the way that we want to be treated, and seeing people first and foremost as human beings, like the shirt says, one race, human, but also seeing people for their heart before anything too. And had a lot of students come up to me after the talk today, just said that they've been bullied in the past, but that they're going to keep choosing love and kindness and try to share that gift of when someone stood up for them with somebody else that they see in that same position, that they can eventually look to spread the kindness and continue to embody what Mahatma Gandhi, what people like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. stood for and eventually died for, that they fought for peace, they fought for nonviolence, they fought for justice as it relates to really respecting our fellow brother and sister, our fellow man and woman, and seeing them all as true miracles. We talk about the M that's etched on all of our palms, and that's M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're able to see everybody around us and ourselves too as beautiful people, as beautiful miracles. And then for those that don't see that or can't, when they look in the mirror, that we become the light to their hearts, and we try to reflect that love so that eventually they start to love themselves too. You guys touch my heart. You guys are etched in my heart. Thank you so much for the opportunity to spend the afternoon with you guys. Hope to come back again soon and keep spreading this message of compassion and empathy and kindness. Much love. Peace.